I'm gonna bleach my hair for the first time because I'm bored, and I'm gonna do it by myself because I'm broke. I've been watching YouTube videos actually since last month just to learn from their mistakes, so I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna learn something from this video. My whole head is just gonna come off. It's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I can't even see it. It hurts so bad, and my forehead is red. This is all a mess. Anyway, let's get to it. First mistake was I divided my hair vertically, so one side had bleached longer and looked lighter than the other. So had the brush and the bowl already because my mom had a salon before, so it's for free. I don't know why my camera started fogging up. It's probably the ghost of my future hair hunting me. Second mistake was I didn't give it enough time to develop. I washed it off real quick because I thought it lightened up fast, and I panicked. So then this is the result after my first bleaching session for like, bitch, it was like 5 minutes. Alright, so this is the day after it's all dried and it's a little hay-ish. I did put castor oil. Canola is for cooking. Castor oil last night before I slept. So this is like lighter than this one because I did bleach this first and then this second. So what I'm gonna do is bleach this first and then this after, so that maybe it matches. It looks like I have a filter on because my hair is so orange. Hey, so mid update, this is my second, technically third bleaching session. I know. My head feels so hot right now. When I take the shower cap off, my whole head is just gonna come off too. So there's bleach on my finger right here. It's burning. I tried to wash it off, but it ain't coming off. So I guess I won't have a fingerprint on this finger, so when I murder someone or commit a crime, I'm just gonna use this finger. Didn't really get my roots well, but if you have anyone to help you, then that's good. This is all a mess. My eyes are running, my nose is running, my shirt is a mess because I'm so smart for wearing a white shirt. Right now it hurts so bad. I don't know if that's normal or it's just my hair is gonna fall off my scalp finally. So I washed my hair earlier than my alarm because my head was hurting and I felt like the toner was seeping into my brain. You know what, you're not gonna get my last 2 brain cells, so I'm just gonna wash it off. Driving to Walmart, Plan Z. I'm gonna just dye my hair maybe ash brown or something and see what I can do. Can't believe I'm going out in public like this. Third mistake was I thought 2 boxes were enough for my thick ass hair. Hey, so this is the hair update. This is what I ended up with, which I'm very happy about. Over that yellow hair, because I was ready to cut it all off. See that some parts are not totally dyed, like this part is light. As you saw earlier in my video, I ran out of box dye. I kind of like focused in front. I mean, if you're behind me, I don't see that you see me, but if you're in front of me, I see that you see me. So I focused in the front and made sure this is all okay, and then the back I'm like, I don't care. So when I watched other YouTube videos about bleaching and stuff, like the ones that I forgot, they had like a lot of hair fall out, but for me, I didn't have a lot. Actually, I had less fall out when I usually just wash my hair normally before I bleach my hair. Did that make sense? This lighting though is fire. In the end, just feel out your hair if you think you can't take it anymore, because for me it's my first time bleaching, but I kind of know my hair, I guess. Maybe it's talking to me. So that's why I got to do 3 bleach sessions in like 2 days, and I just didn't care because I mean hair grows back, right? I was thinking, what if I bleached so much I just burn my hair grow things and they just never grow back. Then I'm just like, there's wigs, bitch. Wanted to try out something different because I was bored, and I'm so happy that I did it, because usually I'm just too lazy to do anything and too scared to take risks, but I'm so happy that I did this, because now I feel like more confident. I feel like, bitch, I can rule the world. I bleach my hair by myself while you other bitches go to salons, pay $300 and up to get this hair.